boy, look at that, Jay.
My trailer boy.
Trailer boy.
Out here at the lake. Man, Jay, there's 1,000 wasps in this wasp nest up here. Ooh. Oh man, yeah, this one too. This one's got 1,000 in it too. We'll just have to drench them. We got wires running all over the house. Look at this. 60 years of cable and satellite. Look at that. Lots of green growth, lots of black growth. I'm hoping this mold is on the outside, and I'm afraid that it's on the inside of this window, which means the inside of this house is a health hazard. Open outlet down here. We taped it up. Because of all these security camera wires all over the house, we went ahead and just cut the power to the entire house and leave the power off for about a day, day and a half. Yep. Lots of property issues. This window is broken. Green, green, green. Oh, look at this. Out here, beautiful. Alabama the beautiful. We're gonna clean this surface. We're gonna clean this sidewalk. The sidewalk goes down here by the lake to like a little sitting pad down there that's concrete. So we're gonna stop Kim up here so that none of it gets anywhere near the lake. Should look nice. All this trash was up under the porch, which is never good, but it's out of there now. Electricity box is closed. This house is selling for $550,000 for this house because it's on the lake. A little dirty. Old wiring concerns up there. Clean this door up. Both sides of it, nice. Get rid of a few of them spiders. This looks good. There's all kinds of outlets and junction boxes all over this house. Like, what a strange place for a junction box. We got live wasps in all the doors, all the windows. We'll kill those 2 things of wasp before we even start. No more wasps. Everything intact. No wiring or electrical issue. Outlet still covered for safety. All this cleaned up real good. Look at that. A little bit of tint issue, but that's on the inside. Broken window. Sidewalk cleaned up great all the way to the lake. She's clean. Remember all the bugs up under here? It's a little wet now, but it's clean. Remember all our spider webs in here?